Halloween is just around the corner, and it's a great opportunity to build your brand's reach and engagement by creating reels around this theme using viral audio tracks like this remix of the Addams Family theme song that already has over 44,000 posts. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to do that in under 15 minutes using this InVideo template. To start using the template, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is the best fit for Reels, and click on Use this template to go to the editor. Here you have a very intuitive setup. The canvas shows you the actual video, while all your scenes are placed on the timeline and already synced to the trending music track, so you don't have to change the music track or readjust the duration of the scenes in any way. On the left, you have the complete menu to choose what you want to add to the video, like images, text, music, etc. Now let's begin editing. We are recreating this reel for a nail salon, but you can customize it for any product or service. If you have images of your own, you can upload them using the Uploads option in the left menu. Else, you can follow along to see how you can use stock images to recreate this reel. For the first slide, we want to replace the pie image with that of a fun set of Halloween-themed nail art. So we are going to go to the Image tab in the left menu and search for the same using the search bar. Once we find an image from the search results, I will drag and drop it onto the canvas and hit replace in the pop-up window that appears. If the image doesn't fit how you like it to, you can use this crop option on top to crop and select the part of the image you want to show on the canvas. And don't worry if it appears slightly blurred or pixelated, because sometimes the editor takes time to load. It will be a high definition export only. You similarly want to replace images for the remaining 4 scenes as well. If you make a mistake or add an image you don't want, you can either delete it by pressing the delete key on the keyboard or undo the step by using the Command+Z or Control+Z shortcuts on your keyboard. Once all your images are replaced, you want to go ahead and change the text. To do that, double-click on the text on any scene to open up the edit window on the left, and here you type out your own text. Don't forget to add your CTA or call to action in the last scene. The final step is to change the logo. Simply click on the logo on any scene to open up the logo menu on the left, and here upload your own logo using the upload option. Once it's uploaded, click on the image and it will automatically get replaced throughout the template. If everything looks good, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your reel. Once you are satisfied, go to the top right corner of the screen and hit Export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. You can recreate this trend for other types of brands as well. For instance, if you sell custom phone cases, this is what this reel will look like for you. Now let's look at how you can upload your reel on Instagram and start getting reach and engagement for your brand. Use the audio link on the template page and open it on your phone. Here you can use this white pill at the bottom to upload your edited reel, and it will automatically be synced to the audio, so you don't need to make any additional changes. Just put in your caption, add your hashtags, and hit share. And that's how you can create and upload a trending Halloween reel with InVideo.